busy thinking about my toothpaste. There isn't much I like about the design of my toothpaste tube. But when you interact with something multiple times a day, you do begin noticing the details. There are a couple of little logos on the side of the tube that are just brilliant and would look great even out of context. The first one I liked was this paste logo. It's brilliant. I tried tracing it up a couple of months ago, but I eventually realised that the halftone pattern was way too detailed to make a good heat transfer. So I abandoned that idea. Back at the bathroom sink, I began noticing this logo as well, which was a much simpler graphic. I managed to get a snap of it with my macro lens as a reference to trace up into vectors. Ready to whiz out of the plotter cutter. I foolishly forgot to mirror it, but it doesn't impair the graphic at all. All it took from here was a simple little whiz with the iron to make it into my new favourite t-shirt. Gotta keep them tags clean. Thanks for watching.